So just yesterday, I made a video about this Reddit thread, which is a post from the CEO of Perplexity, and he's answering a lot of questions regarding the changes in the company, especially in the past few weeks, like why suddenly it is using the auto mode, why deep research is very slow, and why there is no GPT 4.5, among many other things that people are very concerned about Perplexity, and they worry that Perplexity might be running out of money, or maybe they are just get money or get funding from an investor. But at least according to this post, Perplexity is perfectly okay. There is no problem. They're just in the process of making the service better, and that's why there are some bugs or missing features in the platform. So one of them is one complaint that people has been screaming about, especially from the last 2 weeks or so, is that now Perplexity is using the auto mode by default. Of course, you can always go back and then using the pro mode or select the AI model, but it is so inconsistent because if you're, let's say you're starting a thread using GPT 4.0, but the follow-up is going to be using the auto mode, so you have to manually select that again, and this could be a problem if you are planning to have a long interactions with AI. But now Perplexity has listened to your feedback, and now they are actually releasing this new update. This is actually from a Discord message, and basically this is going to be new UI. Actually, it has been released today. So the UI looks something like this. All the AI models are available in one menu. So let me show you what the new UI look like. If you go to the Perplexity web, you're going to see something that looks similar. Actually, there is almost nothing changed except this area. So instead of selecting the mode and then selecting the AI model, now you just need to select either do you want to use deep research or not, or using the regular search like the pro mode. Now, if you're using the pro mode, you can select the different AI model. You can click on this button and it will reveal dozens of AI models available in Perplexity. There is the best model, which basically I believe the auto mode, and then there is also the sonar model from Perplexity. There is Cloud, GPT, Gemini, Grok, and then lastly there is a reasoning section for DeepSeek R1, OpenAI O3 Mini, and of course the Cloud 3.7 Sonnet Thinking from Anthropic. So now they are coming from one menu, which I think is very, very useful. So let's try asking something like, what is the latest AI news? I'm using GPT 4.0 here, and now in the follow-up, it is no longer switching to the auto mode. It will stick with GPT 4.0, and I like that they're actually adding this tiny icon indicating that I'm using GPT 4.0. Of course, you can always go to deep research if you want to, or if you want to use a deeper model, that's also possible, but it is basically going to stick. So by default, it is going to be using whatever AI model that you choose at the beginning of the conversation. So I think that's actually a nice update from Perplexity, and I believe they're going to fix more and more issues in the platform in the future. So anyway, that's just the tiny update that I want to show you in this video. And if you feel like you want to see more videos about Perplexity, then feel free to subscribe to this channel because I'm planning to make more of that in the future. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Have a good day.